Did you know there's a whistle that supposedly silences the world? This isn't your everyday myth. Legend has it, in a remote mountain village, an old silver whistle belonged to a reclusive clockmaker. They say whoever blows it, even once, experiences total silence, not just around them, but within themselves. Voices vanish, thoughts evaporate. The world becomes eerily still. People go missing for days, only to return unable to explain what they experienced. Could it be hallucination? Technology can't replicate the effect, and no one knows where the whistle is today, or if it even truly exists. But if you ever stumble upon it, would you risk the silence? Leave a comment. Let's hear your thoughts on this chilling tale. Urban legends.